Alright, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? So I know it's been some time since I last posted, and I say this all the time, but I'm always busy, and I'm being completely honest with you. Yes, I have been working on rugs. I actually just finished doing 6 rugs for Oscar. You guys know who he is because I made a rug for him at the C4 house not so long ago. He asked me to do a number of rugs for his brand, and so I did. That took me some time. Hold on. See, I have people messaging me asking me to finish their videos, but I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that I've been super busy with work. I've been filming a lot lately, so as you guys know, COVID is clearing up little by little, and so here in LA, there's been a lot of events opening back up, so DJs have been asking me to create their videos for them. So I've been booked on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays, and Sundays. So I've been pretty busy, which is good because obviously that brings in money. But don't worry, I'm still gonna continue with these rugs. I actually have a couple rugs to do, and I do wanna make a couple videos on them, so stay tuned. Believe me, the rug videos are coming. As I said before, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram at 95shoots. If you guys have any questions, I actually met someone at Home Depot. They were asking me about glue for rugs, and I was like, well, what are you doing? And then she was like, oh, I'm doing custom rugs. And I'm like, no way, I do custom rugs. So on and so forth. So we started talking, and I just gave her my tips and my ideas of what I do, and she thought it was really helpful. So if you're watching this, big shout out to you because she kind of knew who I was. But anywho, what I want to come on here for is just basically to give you guys an update as far as what's been going on. And I also want to let you guys know that I am signing a couple rugs that I've been holding on. Well, I haven't been holding on to them. It's just that I haven't been promoting them to sell them. So if you guys are interested in buying these rugs, honestly, I'll take anything above $75. So 75 is the bare minimum. If you guys want to buy it, message me. And yeah, obviously I want to get at least 75 to possibly 150, anywhere in between. I'm willing to take that price for a couple of these rugs. So if you're interested, message me on Instagram. But let me just show you what I have and what you guys hopefully want to buy off of me. Here, let me show you. So first, we'll start off with the Lakers / Warren Lotus rug. If you guys want to buy it, let me know, message me, check it out, for sale. Next, we'll have the Quasimodo. If you guys are interested, wait, hold on. Super hard to show you guys, but if you guys are interested, Quasimodo for sale. Boys in the Hood for sale. Dennis Rodman for sale. The Weeknd / Blown for sale. And last but not least, just a simple filthy rug. So for sale. So yeah, if you guys are interested in buying any of those rugs, please message me on Instagram. I'm trying to get rid of them, so if you know what that means is I'll take, basically, as I said, anything between 75 to 150. Get them off my hands. I'm tired of holding on to them. So please message me if you're interested. Other than that, if you guys have any questions, please. Oh, wait. One thing that I forgot to state. I finally got paid off of YouTube, which is crazy. I would have never thought I would get paid off of YouTube. So basically, since I started making those videos about my rugs, obviously they've been, a couple of them have a lot of views. Long story short, I was able to get my videos monetized, and now 4 months later, I got paid. I mean, obviously I wasn't getting like many views on them, but from the views that I have gotten, I was able to get $218, which is, better than nothing. So that was super cool, and that definitely has made me want to create more videos and be more consistent. I know I've been saying that, but honestly, I do want to bounce back, and I will bounce back. So yeah, that was a cool little update. YouTube's paying me for my YouTube videos, which is dope. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, as I said before, message me on Instagram, message me down below. If you guys haven't subscribed, please do so. And with that being said, I think I'm out of here. Please let me know what you guys want to see, because I do want to create more videos for you guys. But if you guys continue to ask me to create videos for you guys, I will definitely create them, and I will try my best to make some time for them. And as I've said before many times, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed, please do so. And with that being said, I'm out of here, and yeah, peace. Alright, what's up ladies and gentlemen? I'm back with a vlog, and this vlog is going to be totally different. This vlog is not going to be, well, this is actually going to be a vlog. Sorry, I'm correcting myself. So this isn't a rug video, this is going to be a vlog. So today I'm going out to downtown LA to film for an event, and I thought why not bring you guys along and show you guys what I do aside from rugs and aside from work. Today I'm heading over there with my boy Steve. Say what's up to my boy Steve.
What's up?
He's also a videographer, photographer, and then, you know, sometimes here and there I hit a couple of my friends up if they ever want to help me out, and they agree, then I just tag them along, and then sometimes they just practice and get a little video out themselves, or sometimes I also do need help myself. So yeah, today I need some help. I got my second dose of the second dose of the vaccine, and I'm not gonna lie, I did feel a little bit off. I did have a headache. I had messaged him yesterday just to make sure, in case I felt really bad, and you know, he could cover for me. And then he said, well, even if you don't need me to cover for you, if you don't mind, let me tag along and, you know, practice and this and that. So I said, yeah, sure, why not? So long story short, we're over there. I'll show you guys in a bit what is up next. I haven't vlogged in a while, so if this vlog comes out kind of weird, don't mind it. But yeah, let's go over there and then we'll see what's up. All right, so we just parked, walking over, about to see what tonight has in store, and then you guys will see what I do on the weekends when I film, and I'm in this party scene of LA, so tag along, let's see what's up. Alright, let's get out this hole. Get out of here. Alright, so just like that, it did the work. Now time to go home, rest. Tomorrow wake up, start editing. I got a couple videos I have to edit beforehand, but now you guys know what a weekend in LA as a videographer is. How'd the night go?
It was good.
Oh, watch out, watch out. This is about to run us over. Well, how was the night though?
It was good, it was good. Probably could have been more girls, but
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
we work with what we work with, you know?
I mean, the night wasn't horrible, but believe me, the video's gonna look really good, and I'm pretty sure you guys already saw it. But yeah, last week it was crazy, but this time I feel like they popped way more bottles, which is obviously good. But yeah, they were popping bottles left and right like crazy. So yep, I think, let me see, hold on.